Hello, teacher. Hello, Iviti. I am Thoa. I am from group 165. Today, I would like to talk about She Foundation, English and the triangle of GT of pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. Now I talk about She Foundation, English. Sarah today important thing in foundation English. Sarah 1. Pronunciation. True. Vocabulary. 3. Grammar. Continue. I talk about the triangle of reality of pronunciation in the angle of information that are for me simple and for me in the angle of energy that are simple and structured in the angle of material and intonation. The triangle of the of vocabulary in the angle of information spelling and English and paper in the angle of energy is in the sooner phonetic and paper 44 sound in the angle of material there is meaning and situation. Example: the triangle of the D of grammar we have in the angle of information there are 8 part of speed and 3 multiply in the angle of energy just 12 tendency angle of Mediterranean Southampton structure. Thank you very good. Bye.